Hi guys, keeping basic handwriting rules in mind and after practicing English handwriting basic strokes, we move forward with cursive writing today. So please watch the video till the end because I am going to show you each and every trick which I have followed up till now with my students. Now this is the letter A. It is a curve, then a half circle, then a standing line and a curve again. But when you write it in the lines, it is going to be like this. It is going to be half the line. Those using blue and red line books, they have something like this. So your half the line is in the book. So this is the way you are going to do. Just see that it doesn't become like this. This is the wrong way of doing. Your child might start doing something like this. You are not supposed to carry a tail ahead. It is going to be curved and you are not going to measure also the line, but see, you can see it looks almost half the line. Little bit here and there is fine. Guys, now you are supposed to write it the way he is writing. Just look at my son. The way he is writing, you are supposed to write A in the same manner. Please, where is your second hand going to be? On the book. Your second hand, the non-active hand should always be on the book. It increases concentration speed and it helps you to write well. Yes. See, the amount of space between two have to be round about the same. No, these are coming down. It has to be half the line, something like this, not very small.
Okay.
And make your child do only 3 lines at a time. Don't go to the 4th line. Now you can see the formation of B. B is a slanting line or a curve going upwards. Then you come down as a straight line. Then it is a half circle. And on the upper hand of the half circle, you have a small curve which goes towards the right. So the B is going to be B and D, and all those who are going up as a slanting line, they are little more than half the line. You are not going to make it half the line, but you are going to, it is going to be more, but you are not going to touch the upper line. And we move forward to the next alphabet, that is alphabet C. C has a curve and a half round. So let's see how it has to be done. So start. This is wrong. Can you all see, guys? This is not the way C has to be written. It is not a tail going up. It's a curve. It's a curve and it has to be like this. Right, like this. Yes, that's better. So you all are also going to make 3 lines. Whether your child gets it in 3 line or not, you are not going to make him do the 4th line, and you will move forward with the next alphabet which is going to be shown to you. Don't worry, he will get it and I will tell you what to do in the next video. Now we move forward to the next letter, and that is letter D. Remember carefully, if you are able to do letter C, you will be able to form letter D because it is almost like C and then it is this, which is an addition to it. That is a curve, a round, a formation of a letter L, you can say. L is slanting line going upwards and come down towards the right and a curve in the end. So the letter D is written. Letter D is going to be little more than half the line, like letter B. So let him write and I'll tell you the false. Start doing. Just see. Be careful and leave almost the same distance between two letters or alphabets. Yes, you are doing it properly. So guys, here just make a note. If your child is not able to make the letters or the word slanting, right now these alphabets, if they are coming straight, like D, he is not able to slant. C, he is not able to slant, but B, he is able to slant. Then stop it. Make him either go slanting or go straight, because mixing both the styles will make it look more worst. It will not look better. So either make it slant. Slanting is always much preferred than normal ones, I mean straight, but in case not possible, then make it straight. In the end of this series, I will also tell you how to try to make it slant to look more beautiful. The next letter is letter E, and if you can see the formation, it is like an L going upwards and coming down as a circle. So this is again going to be half the line, and this is pretty easy, so your child will be able to follow it very easily. And we move forward to the next letter, which is letter F. Then we move to the letter F. Just see, some people find F little tricky, so I'll show you. First, it is almost like a slanting line, but it's little curve. Then you take a turn towards the left like a round, then come down straight, then again take a turn towards, now last time it was left, this time it is right, and then again go up in a slanting line way, and then a sleeping little line. So this is the letter F. Letter F has to be written half the line, both the lines, in the sense it is half upper line, half lower line. It is not going to come up, it is going to include both the lines, up and down, and it will be half on in both the lines. Start doing it, Aman. Yes, just see. No, this line has to be straight. This is not going to go up. The line of the F is going to be straight and it is going to be on the line. Otherwise, you will have a connection problem. This is not going that proper because it is, see, the style is not going proper. No, I'll show you once more. Just wait. It is going to be like this, going up, like this, coming down, and this is going to be on the line. It is like this. This is the one which is proper. So guys, that's it for today. We will start with the next letters or alphabets tomorrow.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you for watching.